Hi, welcome back to my channel Techie Krish or GG Agra. So in my Python tutorial and Python and dictionaries map in Python rather, I have been discussing many methods on dictionaries and many inbuilt functions on dictionaries, and this time I'm going to discuss how to get some more methods to get the values of the dictionary. So let's move to your presentation first, then I'll show you the hands-on also. So dictionaries in Python and a few more methods of accessing dictionary elements. So see here, so this is the dictionary I'm going to show. Marks is the dictionary where there are three pairs. Key is Arun, Sunidhi and Naman, and values are 29, 32 and 30. And the method I'm going to apply here, the first method, access all elements one by one by using for loop where range is specified by the keys of the dictionary, key method of the dictionaries. So how does this work? Let's see. So I have applied for k in marks dot keys. So this keys method will be applied to get the keys of the dictionary. And this time when I say print marks k is referring the key. So it takes the key one by one. So first it will take Arun, then second time it will take Sunidhi, and then further it will take Naman. So when I say for k in marks dot keys, so it reads the keys one by one. So the first key is Arun, so it will print 29. The second key is Sunidhi, so it will print 32, and the third key is Naman, so it will print 30. So the output of this is like this, the output 29, 32 and 30. Now the next method is access all the elements one by one using the loop where the range is specified by the items method of the dictionary. So items method is a dictionary which reads key and value pair at a time. So see here, for that I have to use two identifiers. One is meant for key and other is meant for reading the value. So for k comma v means k will read the keys and v will read the values. So for k comma v in marks dot items, so items means items method reads the pair. So the keys will go to k identifier and values will move to v identifier. So if you say print k dash v, it should print key of the dictionary and dash then the value of the corresponding key. So see here, the dictionary is around 29, so it will print the key is Arun and the value is 29, then Sunidhi 32 and Naman 30. So the output that comes like this: Arun 29, Sunidhi 32 and Naman 30. So this is the second method by which we can access the elements of dictionary. And the third method is display the whole dictionary at once using items. Items method as follows. So if I print methods method like items, so when I say print marks dot items, so see here, marks dot items, so it will print the dictionary in the shape of the list, and in the list all the pairs will be enclosed within the parenthesis. So Arun is the key and 29 is the value. So the complete pair is in the square bracket, is in the form of the list. So hope you understood the concept how to get how these methods work to get the elements of the dictionary. So let's move to a collab where I'll show you the hands-on. See here, first I have to create the dictionary. I'm just copying this dictionary and pasting in the cell and execute. So as soon as I execute, the dictionary is created, and when I print it, then it prints the dictionary like this. Arun 29, Sunidhi 32, and Naman 30. Now the next function is, I'm going to copy this for k in marks keys and print marks key. You see here, for k in marks dot keys, print marks k and. So see the output, the values of the keys will be printed like 29, 32. See here. So I'll have to give a gap and run it again. So it will give 29, 32 and 30. Now the next method to access the elements of the dictionary is for kv copy for k comma v in marks items. So it will print key and the values all together, and I'll just maximize the window. Then see Arun 29, Sunidhi 32 and Naman 30. So this is how we can print the complete pair, key value and key value. Now I'm going to print the entire dictionary in the form of the list or the collection of the tuples in the list. So print, I'm going to copy this, copy it and paste it in the cell. As soon as I print, it gives the collection of the dictionary in the list form, and the pair is in the tuple form. You see here, pair is in tuple form and the collection of these tuples is in the square brackets. So this is how we can apply different functions to get the different values on the basis of keys, and the entire dictionary we can also print using marks.items function or the dictionary.items function. So this is how these are the functions by which we can access the elements of the dictionary. Hope you understood the concept, and if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends and also do the hands-on on these functions or methods. So we'll meet in the next video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you get the notification of new video as and when it is created. So we'll meet in the next video with some other scenario and methods. Till then, bye bye.